Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
So we would like you to revise the concepts that we have learned in the first 3 weeks of this course. When we run this course at IIT, after the class, towards the middle of the semester, we have a mid-semester examination. So the paper that I have given you is the mid-semester examination that we used in the last year in 2019, September. So what I would like you to do is, when you solve this paper, adhere to the time. The total time that will be given to you is 2 hours. During the time you solve the paper, do not keep access to your videos and your notes. You can keep a set of formulae, a formula sheet with you in case you need to make some calculations. Keep a calculator and then try out the paper for 2 hours. The portion is from the initial part where we talk about energy and society, energy and environment, energy and resources, the overall country energy balance, and the energy economics portion, resources, renewable resources, non-renewable resources. And so take the question and solve it, and then we will in the next module we will show you the solution so that you can correct it on your own and you can estimate what is your performance. So we will go through this paper. When you take the paper, please do this with a given time limit, which is 2 hours, and then solve the entire paper, and then look at the module where we have given you the solution so that you can compare. If you have any queries based on the solution and what you have done, you can upload it and ask our TAs so that we can give you any inputs on this. So please do a little bit of preparation, revise the parts that we have talked about, and then attempt the paper and see how you can look at your performance.